Over the next few minutes, I will guide you through a simple spell to remove negative energies from your home and your heart. Make sure you are in a quiet place and your cell phone is in silent mode before we begin. Follow the instructions on screen, especially if you need to remove a curse, banish a spirit from your home, or if you are feeling vulnerable to psychic attacks. Sit in a comfortable, relaxed position with your altar in front of you. Prepare your altar by setting the following items on a table: 1 red apple, 1 bay leaf, a knife, and a cutting board. Let's begin. Place the apple on the cutting board right in front of you. Hold it with both hands and breathe slowly. Repeat after me. I'm about to send all negative energies away from here. Try to visualize a protective layer around you. Imagine a bright light that surrounds you and makes all unwanted thoughts and energies bounce off. Keep this image in your mind. Take the knife and cut the apple in 2 halves. Place the bay leaf on top of one of the halves and say, "Red and green, banishing grace, cast all evil out of this place." Once again, red and green, banishing grace, cast all evil out of this place. Imagine that a new layer of protection emanates from the bay leaf, getting bigger and bigger. It fills the entire room, and it surrounds your entire home. All residual energies are starting to clear away. Take a deep breath in and breathe out the tension in your body. Follow the air all the way in and all the way out. Mindfully be present moment by moment with your breath. Now, put the 2 pieces of the apple back together. Imagine your inside and outside being spiritually clear and filled with protective light. You are balanced and harmonized. Say, "Thank you for keeping me safe and protected." Don't eat the apple. Instead, give it as an offering to your household deities by burying it on fresh soil. You can do this outside if you have a backyard, or bury it inside a flower pot at home and leave it there. Clear your altar and meditate for a few more minutes in the peace and harmony of a clean home.